welcome back to Cooking with Emily. Today we are going to be making Rice Krispie treats with a little added surprise of sprinkles. I'm so excited. Let's go wash our hands so that we can get started. Yay!
So you will need some marshmallows, some Rice Krispies, and some sprinkles. Step 1. Melt the marshmallows in the microwave for 20 seconds. Then mix using a fork. Step 2. Now add some of the Rice Krispies to the melted marshmallows and mix together. Step 3. Add some more Rice Krispies and lots of rainbow sprinkles. Then mix this until combined. Step 4. Put some of the marshmallow and Rice Krispies mixture into a cup holder and place this upside down onto a plate.
Wow, that was amazing and they taste delicious. Are you going to go make your very own Rice Krispie treats? Yes? Great! Awesome! Bye!